Is it time to buy or sell OSI Systems stock? In this video, we're diving deep into OSI Systems. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2025, our system has identified OSI Systems as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a decline of -2.46%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.23% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 0.233% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -4.15% to 8.61%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 63.30%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 58.65% to 93.95% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $345.68 and $422.59. Our latest daily update for OSI Systems includes the headline, High Volatility in OSI Systems Stock Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $217.89. The OSI Systems stock price declined by 2.46% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, dropping from $223.39 to $217.89. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.72%, ranging from a low of $204 to a high of $225.87. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen 6 times and is down by 2.7% during this period. Notably, volume increased on the last day by 228,000 shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 758,000 shares were traded, amounting to approximately $165 million and 16 cents. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $241.53, while the lowest was $129.84. Currently, the price stands 9.79% or $23.64 below the 52-week high of $241.53, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. OSI Systems announced its 4th quarter and full-year fiscal 2025 results today, achieving record revenues for both the 4th quarter and the full year, as well as record non-GAAP earnings per share. Quarterly earnings were reported at $3.24 a share, surpassing estimates and increasing from $2.84 a year ago, with the security division identified as the main driver of growth. Management conducted its scheduled earnings call, offering insights into their execution. Recent contract achievements include an approximately $34 million international contract for multiple Z-Portal and CarView inspection systems, alongside a separate order worth $17 million for high-energy cargo and vehicle scanners. These wins contribute to a visible backlog and bolster services revenue. In the short term, the earnings surpassing expectations and strong flow of contracts should support positive momentum in share prices as investors respond to the upside and better than anticipated execution. The tone of the conference call will be significant for immediate market reactions. Looking to the long term, the sustained strength of the security division and the increasing backlog of inspection systems, which include installation, training, and multi-year maintenance can enhance revenue visibility, margins, and cash flow, potentially justifying a higher valuation if execution remains strong. However, key risks that could hinder gains include fluctuations in government spending cycles, competitive pressures, and potential challenges in execution or supply chains. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned OSIS a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned OSIS an overweight rating, together with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned OSIS an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned OSIS an overweight rating along with an initialize action. On Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned OSIS an outperform rating and a hold action. Analysts have assigned OSI Systems stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for OSI Systems. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the stock's near-term development. Currently, OSI Systems holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $229.03 and $223.69. A breakout above either of these levels will signal a buy opportunity. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 7.69%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 1 week ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 week ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 187 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for OSI Systems. OSI Systems finds support from accumulated volume at $216, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed to be low. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $21.87, which is an increase of 10.72% between its high and low. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.24%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for OSI Systems, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 21st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.19. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for OSI Systems. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for OSI Systems is at $218.36. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be an opportune moment for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, OSI Systems faces its first support level at $216. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for OSI Systems from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of August 2025, Bernard Kelly conducted an insider sale of 126 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hawkins James B. conducted an insider sale of 144 shares of common stock. On the 1st of August 2025, Matra Ajay executed an insider purchase of 27,326 shares of common stock. On that same day, CZ Victor S. conducted an insider purchase of 6,490 shares of common stock. Also on the 1st of August, Grinstaff Glenn made an insider purchase of 569 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 18.833. Overall, insiders purchased 260,529 shares and sold 372,188 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is OSI Systems stock a good buy? OSI Systems currently exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we expect OSI Systems to open lower by just under $2 and to commence trading at $215.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.